Hey guys, I wanted to invite you on this coming Wednesday. There is an online Facebook event. It'll be Wednesday, July 22nd, and it will be a Young Living Essential Oils 101 class or party, however you want to think about it. But we will be talking about the most loved and most used oils and uh, so anyway, guys, I wanted to invite you because it is something that has made such a huge difference in my life. I wanted to also like maybe dispel some myths or some barriers that might be holding people back from even wanting to attend the class. So first of all, there's no pressure to buy anything. Second of all, I just wanted to say, I know that for some MLMs, it can be really expensive to join or to keep your membership. Young Living is not like that because we have a basic starter kit that's only 35 bucks, and you're getting some good stuff in even that basic starter kit. And then our most popular starter kit, which is the premium starter kit, it's 165 bucks, but it has like a retail value of over $400, and it sets you up with these 12 different really good oils and a really good diffuser. Anyway, but either of those, either your basic starter kit or your premium starter kit, they give you your membership, your wholesale membership, so that anything else that you want in the future, you can get it for wholesale instead of retail, which is a really good thing. It's a 24% discount. Also, with either of those starter kits, either the basic or the premium, or we even have other premium starter kits, the same thing with any of those, as well as with the basic, you also have the opportunity to earn commissions. And so it's really cool because with Young Living, I really don't feel like I'm selling anything. All I'm doing is just sharing what has helped me and what I use every day. So let's see, what else did I want to mention? Okay, also, you don't have to make an order every month. You don't have to make an order every couple of months. And after a year, in order to keep your Young Living membership, this is what you can do. You can get your basic starter kit for 35 bucks. You can wait almost an entire year, let's say 364 days. And then on that 364th day, just make sure that you have spent like $50 on Young Living stuff, 50 PV, and that's wholesale. And then you will keep your membership, and that's for life. All you have to do to keep your membership in Young Living for life is just make an order of 50 PV, or in other words, $50 wholesale, and a year, and that's all. You don't have to get a super expensive starter kit every year. You don't have to make a super expensive order every couple of months or every month. I do make an order every month because there's an optional program in Young Living that if you are a member, if you have gotten any starter kit, basic or premium, you have the opportunity, if you want to choose to join Essential Rewards, and that is a program that basically gives you rewards points, so for product credit, and also you can earn free promotional oils on top of that as well. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and listening. Please let me know if you would like to attend the class. It would be so much fun to have you there. We're going to be sharing about how we use these oils that are in the premium starter kit. We use them basically every day, and how they have changed our lives. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.